KHNAM Iwan hakane kapor ya kaban pensai hakane begini ki jingnya kon ke bangilai kon Election Commission bangila agi jingtho naduk mencem senam hadin bangilai yo kapor ba Baret Adelbert Nongrum de wala jet kum presiden thamai hak general council kabalong hak Henry tarik bulan Agos mencem senam hayin sa jong Baret Adelbert de hadin jukini ki ige ni wilayah Tho sak Election Commission ngai ki complain labon tuli ki city but hadin kata ngiyo last ka order ka ba daiman au nyu tarik jong feb by feb mentau senam hakaba hang tu Election Commission kala kerensai bohong ba seems there is an internal dispute in the party regarding office bearers. You are therefore advised to resolve internal dispute within the party either amicably or else by the orders of a competent court. Kata kali city bang yo nak Election Commission habunai February new tarik. Hadin jo kani ngila ajing tho shau CEO ngai jing tho secretary officer the ban num sha ban sign form A form B nak kalian jong presiden bakam jadi presiden jong sign KHNAM ba Adelbert dan rei hak report CEO la batai syai baka namar baka this council election la penyai lagi rules jong ka this council affairs namar kata ki guidelines jong ka ECI kem terekam hadin ba yadai bakane kumtang nilai tho yang Election Commission dan rei ini semula yo juba de kumta hakilat patai kubor ngila ai ti jeng pensngo ba lada kwa manya penbai amicably nakalian dungi ngi kloi dan rei ngi bila ihi lem bagi juba haki kot kubor balami ba nakalian jongki nakal grup jong Adelbert Nongrum kiai pene kiai claim milade ba kidai kibala jet hub bat bala itu da Election Commission kumta manharakat kendai tarik jong ni bunai nila file dekat case High Court but sesendan hi ka khat khandai tarik hadim nila file ka High Court kala ai ka sim ka hearing haka arpho tarik jong ni bunai but hadin mengila file kani kari karai ke ba kari karai ke ba ka High Court kala ai bangan puli ya kani kumbalong meanwhile present position of petitioner number 2 as it exists shall be maintained. Furthermore, he shall be at liberty to act as such till next date before the bench. Modifications, alteration on motion. Kani ka kerensai babot ba ka present position jonga petitioner ka exists as it exists shall be maintained. Ka babot deban penek yang akum bakalong untuk musa. Furthermore, he shall be at liberty to act as such till next date before the bench. Kabamon, hang ni ba ngadan ya kapor, ngadan ya ka liberty, bangan sign form A form B, lane nganum sign form A form B, kacong kat karai jong ni nakasisi. Kani ka court order kemang iyo manaka arpo tarik. Tarik order, iyo. Arpo tarik berai match entah.
Kani ban sign ni ka form A form B, lamot